How to log into Plesk as a domain user. Before you can log into Plesk, you must first open an internet browser window and go to https ip-address:/8443, which we've already done. The IP address you use is the one provided to you by your web hosting provider. To log in as a domain user, enter your domain name as your login username. Then enter your password here. Then click Login. That's it. You are now logged into Plesk as the domain user and can begin to set up email addresses, subdomains, databases, and dozens of other features. To log out of Plesk, click the Logout link here. Click OK. This is the end of the tutorial. Be sure to check out other Plesk tutorials to learn how to use all the great features of Plesk. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.